Today I am testing the limits of my all-wood birch vertical, and you're coming along with me. 29-inch ash round gonna get split on the all-wood birch vertical today. Hello, I'm Tony, this is TC's Outdoors, and thanks for clicking on the video, I appreciate it. So today we're gonna break down some humongous ash on the all-wood birch vertical. 29-inch ash from the beam to the edge of the table is 23 inches. This is going to stick off the edge of the table by 6 inches. I haven't split anything this big so far. This was some, it's not really tree service, it's a yard tree a friend of mine from work brought to me for free, and I really appreciate that. Thank you, Dan. It's time to get it split down. So I've been on light duty restrictions for a while now, but I am 5 months post-op, and I got the okay to get out here and get some heavy lifting done. So I figured why not just go right for it and put something gigantic on here that I can't manage. Just kidding, I'll be fine. If you don't know what's going on with me, I tore my bicep in July. It wasn't great, complete rupture, and it's quite a long healing process, but we're getting there. I'm happy to be out here. Today is Christmas Eve. You're gonna see this on New Year's Day probably, so Happy New Year. Hope you guys had a great Christmas and hope you're having a wonderful New Year. Hopefully everybody didn't overindulge last night and you're not sitting around with a headache watching this video. But either way, let's get the splitter fired up, and if I run into trouble, we'll stop and I'll try to talk over the splitter, but I might just shut this thing off because I'm not so sold on this mic and how well you can hear me when I'm splitting with the engine running in the splitter. Let's get the splitter going and get to splitting. Something I saw in somebody else's video, I think it was Split Force, the guy that owns Split Force or sells Split Force or whatever. He was talking about utilizing the very tip of the wedge to get all of the force from this, all 14 tons focused into one little spot. Here, try that. It worked, but didn't split it all the way through. Crack that runs right through the center here. I'm going to try to get it and see if it'll split right in half. That's a no. That's a hard no. So like I mentioned at the end of the last video, on my way to 1 million subscribers, I'd really like your support. So if you could hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. But either way, the work is done for today. Like I mentioned earlier, it's Christmas Eve. I'm gonna go clean up and spend some time with my family. So the ash is split. That was some pretty big stuff. It was a fun learning exercise for me. That was the first time I have ever tried to wrestle around something that big up there. It's work for sure, but in my opinion, the juice is definitely worth the squeeze. This is 4 of those large rounds and 1 of the half rounds. After I picked through a lot of the ant infestation that was in there, I ended up with a lot more boiler wood than I thought I was going to. A lot of short stuff. It was a fun video. I had a good time. I hope you guys are enjoying your new year. Hopefully your resolutions are something achievable and something realistic. I know sometimes I set my goals way up here and then I don't hit them and I fall short, and then it's disappointing, and that's not a good place to be. Resolutions aren't supposed to break your heart. They're supposed to make it better. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you've enjoyed your families during the holiday season. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.